In 3 days, I made $1,109. But here's the catch. I wasn't allowed to use my existing email list, my existing audience, none of my social medias or resources. But here's what's even crazier. I created the product using 100% AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product, how to create the sales page, which sells that product, how to then create the sales slides or presentation to sell the product. And then I'm going to show you how I use AI to get customers within 24 hours. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I've been doing digital marketing since 2020. I actually quit my job during that time. And since then, I've taken 3 separate businesses to over 7 figures, and one of my businesses to over $10 million. Now, here's the real reason why I'm making this video. I want to be able to help people start making money with digital marketing with no following, no experience, anything like that. Now, for me, yes, I can build a product and start getting sales very quickly because I have a large email list. I have pretty big social media following, and I have a ton of resources. So I set out a challenge for myself. I wanted to see, can I create a product? Can I create the sales page for that product? And then can I use AI to create all the marketing for this product and without using my resources? And that's exactly what I did here. This is a $27 product that I put together. And as you can see right here, this is just the last 3 days. And what you'll notice here is 8 purchases for over $1,000. Now, remember I mentioned this was a $27 product. So how is that even possible? Now in this video, I'm going to break down everything for you. I'm even going to show you the exact prompts I use to do everything and create all the images. But at the end of this video, I do want to allow you to just copy my stuff as your own. So if you are interested in that, just say copy Jonathan Montoya down below or watch till the end of this video. All right. So first, let me explain what I built here. And this is how I've taken multiple businesses to over 7 figures. This is what I call an SLO, or self-liquidating offer. This is one of my favorite things to do. Okay. So the way it works is we have a low ticket product, something like an impulse buy, where someone doesn't really need to think about purchasing this thing, right? So if you think about it, they're on Facebook or Instagram, they're scrolling, and this ad pops up, whether it's an image or a video, and it's a very impulse buy where they buy it right away because it looks really good. Now, typically with an SLO, you can charge $17, $27, $47, up to about $97. Okay. That's typically the range. You can go less or more, but for me, those are the ranges that I like to use. Now, here's the crazy part right here. Okay. Now, I know you're asking, well, how the heck did you even get customers without using your existing following, right? So what I did, I'm going to go back over here, is I'm going to show you my Facebook ad account, right? So if you notice here, we made about $1,100 here, okay, as you can see. Now, how did I make that with only a $27 product? Now, before I show you that, I want you to understand, as you can see right here, the exact same dates, right? So July 24th through the 26th, this is my Facebook ad account, okay? So what you'll notice here is we did spend $553, okay? So if you think about it, that's actually pretty cool, right? So we spent $553 and we made, a little over $1,100, okay? So I'm literally printing money, right? If you look at that math, if I do this every day, I'm doubling my money, okay? So how did we do this? Okay. How did we do this with a $27 product? Because what you'll notice here, it's like, okay, 8 times 27 is not 815. So how does this even work? Okay. So what a self-liquidating funnel is, it's essentially you have the main core product, which is $27. But what you'll notice here is if I drop this down, I have order bumps or extra things that people can buy. Okay. So these will help you make more money with your funnel. Okay. Now, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's essentially someone sees a Facebook ad, they click on your ad, and there's a page that's dedicated to sell that product. Okay. Now, when someone buys the $27 product, the funnel then sells them the other products. It's like, hey, why don't you try this? Or why don't you do this? Right. And it upsells other things with a click of a button. One of the coolest things, because you can make a lot of money doing it with a low ticket product, okay? But going back over here, this is what I want you to understand, right? So you'll notice here, this is just the $27 product, right? But then we have all the extras, okay? Right here, maybe this is $17, this is $27, this is a $47 product. And these are all just extra things, okay? And then as you can see, I believe this is a $147 product here, right? So a few people took that. So what happens here is if I can create a strong self-liquidating offer or SLO, I can then run enough ads, right? Now, here's the cool thing about the ads, which is one of my favorite things here. So remember I mentioned I'm not using my existing email list or social media. So the way it works here is I used AI to create all the images, and then I use these images to upload to Facebook ads, and then Facebook ads goes and they find the customers for me, okay? Now, here's one of my favorite parts here, okay? Now with AI, we can upload multiple photos to give Facebook more data, okay? So I want to show you an example here. I'm just going to go inside my ad platform, and you'll notice here there are multiple images right over here at the top. I've given Facebook about 12 images that they can use. That way they can figure out who my buyers are and they can serve the ads to the correct people. So the secret here is we want to build an impulse product, something like $27. And then we want to build a SLO funnel, which I'll show you. And then we want to give Facebook ads a ton of images. That way they can go and find your perfect customer. All right, so let me actually show you the page. So once someone clicks from an ad, this is the page that they see. Now, what I want you to notice is this is a very impulse buy, right? They don't have to go ask their wife or their husband like for $27, right? Like this is just an impulse buy that they can buy right there on the spot. But what you'll notice is this is a very simple, straight to the point offer, right? It just says, hey, for local business owners who want to get more customers, okay? And then it says, get your local business found on ChatGPT in just 5 minutes, okay? So the cool thing here is it's a very simple and easy to understand product, okay? One of the main things that I learned over the years is it has to be so simple that people know exactly what they're gonna get in the first few words on the headline, right? So right there, you know exactly what you're gonna get. I'm gonna get my local business found on ChatGPT, and I'm gonna get more customers because of that, okay? So that's how the SLO funnel works. Now, here's the crazy part, okay? This entire funnel was actually built using AI, okay? Now, even this little slideshow here, this was also built using AI, okay? What's even crazier is I used AI to create the actual product itself, okay? So the reason I was doing this is because I wanted to create something quickly, but something of high value, right? Now, I've sold many things over the last 7 years of building my online businesses, such as courses, software, affiliate products, and sometimes those things take time to go build, right? It's taken me months to build my courses. It takes me months to build a software. I was trying to figure out how can I help a complete beginner start making money by creating a product using AI, but then using AI to create the images, using AI to create the actual product. And that's exactly what I did here, okay? Now, what you'll notice here is these images that you see were also created using AI, okay? So all these images here, I created a ton of images, were all created using AI, okay? I was using ChatGPT. Now, this is the product that they actually get when they pay the $27, okay? Now, once they paid the $27, I wanted an easy way to be able to deliver the product, okay? So what I did is I created this page right here, again, using AI, and then basically all this is they watch this quick walkthrough video. They don't even have to watch this if they don't want, but then they go through this simple 3-step method, okay? So that's exactly what I did. Again, AI created all of this for me. Now, here's the main thing you need to understand. If you want to build something of higher value, like say maybe a course or a software or a coaching program, well then yeah, you're going to have to put in a little bit more work. But the way I like to look at low ticket funnels or SLOs is this is a way that I can start building my customer list. So if I can use this to start building a customer base, I can eventually get them to buy my coaching, essentially get them to buy a higher ticket course course or an affiliate product. So that's why I love these types of funnels. All right, so here's what we're gonna do next. I wanna be able to help you launch your first product, okay? So there's a few different options that I wanna help you with. And don't worry, it's gonna be absolutely free. I'm not gonna charge you anything for this, okay? So option number one is to simply copy this exact same funnel with all the upsells as your own, okay? I'm gonna allow you to do that and I'm not gonna charge you extra, okay? So that's option number one. Option number two is I give you my exact prompts that I use to create the product, the funnel pages, the images, and to put all those things together. And both of those options are 100% free. I just wanna be able to help you start making money with digital marketing. Now, if you are interested in that, just say clone Jonathan Montoya down below, or you can click on the first link in the description. Now, what that link is going to give you is you're gonna get access to this community right here, okay? This is a community with over 4,000 members. And basically this is a free community where we have coaching calls and we wanna help you build your digital marketing business, okay? So inside of here, you'll get access to the classroom where we're gonna show you how to build an SLO funnel with option A and option B, okay? This will all be in the classroom. Now, we have multiple courses in here that you'll have access to as well, but you'll get access to that particular one if you want to do what I just showed you here, okay? Also with that, absolutely free, of course, you also get access to weekly coaching calls as well, okay? Again, I don't want to charge you anything. This is gonna be absolutely free. Probably eventually I'll start charging for this, but I just want to help you start making money with digital marketing. So I hope this video was of value and I'm gonna be making more videos like this. Super excited. We'll see you on the next one and God bless.